My parents not give allowance, but good of taste my mom gave to me 2,001. That day is very some, but I use money every day. Then I don't have money. When I get money, I was happy. If I had 25,000 money at once, I do two things. First is play with my friends, but because my friends is many times too hungry, some friends steal my snack. That is very sad and angry. At hungry, I use 5,001. I think that money I buy many snacks, many juice, and some ramen. Because I'm pig. I play with my friends. I play 6 hours, so I use a lot of money. Second is go Daiso and Art Box. Because Daiso and Art Box sell many special things, so I go many times. On one go, I use 5,001. I go with my friends, but by special thing, my friends steal my friend's special thing. Then I was very sad. In conclusion, I have 25,001. I do two things. First is play with my friends. Second is go Daiso and Artbox. Thank you for listening to my presentation.